Passion is a strong and long-term feeling. Passion impacts our thinking and our actions. It's a source of energy. With passion, it's almost impossible to be discouraged or disguised. Passion is the willingness to fall, but with the desire to stand up and try again. Passionate people overcome their limits. They don't mind limited resources or constraints. They are willing to give time and sacrifice their comfort to achieve their goal. They're not afraid to overcome obstacles. Their passion makes the fear disappear. We were created with great passion. Therefore, each of us carries it deep within. Imagine what will happen if such passion is present in our life with God and in the church. This is the day we can unite and regain our lost passion. The day to discover what it means to be passionate about God and the people around us. Let's return to the first love and be captivated by the passion that the Father has for us. He is the one who longs to unite Europe in a passionate cry for His name. Let's bring passion back to our lives. This is the day.